Subscribe to my channel.
Okay guys, welcome to another lesson using CSS animation. Okay, so guys, this was just a lesson that we just discussed, which is CSS lesson 238. Okay, so we want to change this. So we'll open new HTML document. And then we save lesson 39 in it. Quickly, after saving lesson 39 in it, we want to call out the HTML body plate. Quickly, we say CSS Animation Lesson 2. Okay, now, so with under this, we want to come here and create a div. Okay, after creating the div, we just keep the div as it is. We want to come right up here and create a h1 element and say CSS Lesson 2. Okay, CSS Animation Lesson 2. Okay, so we'll go back in the head section, create star. Now you will see me always erasing the inner element there on star because there is not CSS2, there is CSS3. Okay, now the next thing we want to do here is we want to open this into the browser quickly. I'll just open it up into the browser. Okay, so I come back to our code editor here quickly and save it. After saving it, go back to the browser and refresh the browser. If we refresh the browser, we have CSS Lesson 2. So I can push this on the side and bring our code editor on this side. Alright, after I bring our code editor on this angle, we can come into the start section here and start to do some things. So come here, we say div. In this div here, we can make the width of the div to be 200 pixels, and we can also make the height to be 200 pixels as well. We come down here, we make our background color to be red. Okay, we come down here, we make our animation name to be color. All right, we come down here, we make animation duration should be 4 seconds. All right, so get rid of this, and after doing that, we save it. When we refresh our browser, we'll have this. All right, now with that being said, we can add another feature here. We say border radius should be 12 pixels. Good, save this. When we refresh it, now we'll have this. All right, this smooth looking something here. So we can say okay, say filter, we say drop down shadow, we save this. Right, we'll come here and refresh it. We want to add the opacity to this too as well. See if we'll come and check here. Good. All right, now this is what we have for now. All right, this is just what we have for now. Now we want to come down here. I'm trying to make this look a little different. Now the next thing we want to introduce is the keyframe. All right, the keyframes. Right, for the keyframe, we want to call the name of our animation, which is color. All right, color here. Right, we come into this. Now we want to change this time around. We want to change this time around. We want our animations to work differently. Okay, so we'll start with 0% of the animation, which is the beginning part of the animation. We want the background color to be red. All right, to be red. Good, so we get out of this, we come down, we say at 25% of our animation, we need our background color to be yellow. Right, we come down again. Let me open this up so we can see what I'm doing. We come down again, we say at the 50% of our animation, we say we want our background color to be blue. Good, close this, get out of it. Say at the 75% Okay, now this is one way you animate as well, right? So that you can be able to give more changes. We say green. All right, close this, get out of it. We say at 100%. We want to add something to it as well. Say one background to be black. Get out of it and save this. Now after saving it, we can head back to our browser and see what will be the changes. Now as you can see, our work is changing. If I refresh it again, you're seeing it, it is working automatically. Okay, it is working now. It is also working automatically now. These are some of the way we can use our animation. Okay, and that's more the way we can use our animation. All right, good. Now with that being said, guys, I hope that you learned something new. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel, and please, if you have learned something or you have any doubt or you need a code for this tutorial, you can please comment it and I will make sure I reply you. Another thing, guys, if you are watching us from anywhere around the world, please, you can drop the name of your country so that the next time we can send you a shout out. Thank you very much, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.
Subscribe to my channel.